What? Here's my accusation to Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan and Kuya Copio and even other Marcos loyalists. Why can't all of you just stop politicalize about you love Bongbong Marcos? Everyone hates Bongbong Marcos. Everyone are anti-Marcos. If you never heard about the history from the book, when I read it from Teacher May Tiburcio, at least Teacher May was not there in CDIFI. She's no longer teaching there. Teacher May Tiburcio had described Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government. I've been learned that lesson. How many times I learned a lesson anyway? Well, I learned about the lesson from Teacher May. Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan and Kuya Copio and Sangkay Jan and Romeo TV Vlog and Nino Barsaga. How many times I've been told all of you that Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government. It's in the history from Teacher May. Would you ever, I said I want to ask Teacher May, when I was with Jens Manaid, okay, I will tell you something. Me and Jens, we discuss about Civica. We have Civica in CDIFI. During the time I was in the class with Teacher May. Why do all of you want to talk about politics? At least Dan Mardayaw realized that Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government. Because I know Danmar realized that he understand with Teacher May Tiburcio's Civica that Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government. Magnanakaw pala si Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. Lalo na ang anak niya, si Bongbong, yung Bangag. Si Bangag Marcos. You don't know what you're talking about. Puro kayo Marcos na Marcos. You know, enough about politics. Ate Dina Guillermo, Kuya Copio, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Sangkay Jan, Romeo TV Vlog, and Nino Barsaga. There will be no more solid north in the Philippines. I would likely to explain from Matthew Timbal. Would I ever read in the what was I told by Miggy Labitag? That message. He was sharing me a screenshot in Messenger. Miggy says to me, Matthew Timbal curses Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. an F-word. He's a robbery. Why do all of you want like Bongbong Marcos? Enough about Bongbong Marcos. Enough about politics. You know, when I was in Nanay Baji's house, I do not talk about politics. I don't even talk too much politics. Look at Mommy Ellen Olea. She is a former Marcos loyalist. She was scammed by Bangag. She got scammed by Bangag Marcos. He's really Bangag. Why do all of you want to say you love Bangag? It is a right thing to praise Marcoses. Even my current arch enemy, Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sejo. You know, this is hard to say, Ate Dina Guillermo. And Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. And Kuya Copio. Sangkay Jan and Romeo TV Vlog and Nino Barsaga. Listen to Teacher May. Hindi nyo kasi naiintindihan ang sinabi ni Teacher May. Like, what she is saying about the Civica. Previously, we have Previously, we have current events. O, the last 2015, Teacher May said to me, we have Civica. O, we discuss about kasaysayan ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Give me a break. There will be no more Marcoses in the Philippines. I destroy all the Marcos Sr.'s legacy because he's corrupt and robbery. You do not know what's really happened is. Oh, as we are anti-Marcos, lots of Filipinos are anti-Marcos. Oh, can all of you be non-political? Just like Cedric Mariano, Dan Mardayaw, Baham Hernando, especially who were non-political, like Miggy Labitag, non-political, like RJ Gonzalez, even who were non-political, like Atihana, non-political, we have to be non-political. This is hard to say. If I say that, if I say before, magnanakaw pala si Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr., demonyo na nga si Marcos Sr. at demonyo nga si Bangag Marcos Jr. I say again, people there are anti-Marcos. Here's the one thing I could say. You know, Paula Nunez, you can't brush your teeth, you cannot write your name. However, if I describe Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. as the greatest robbery, you have to understand about the Civica from Teacher May. Intindihan mo yan, Paula. You do not know what you're talking about. You always like this. You know what I read the history? Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government. You do not know what the history was. Would you ever read the history? Would I pass it that lesson from Teacher May, to Tiburcio, in Civica, to Kiko Barsaga, to Banat Bay, to Banatero, Sir Jack Argoda, and even Boss Dada, and also the other Duterte bloggers? Will I ever to pass those things that I read all the history? Will I ever to pass those things to the supporters of Duterte? That the Civica of Teacher May that we discuss about that Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government, like his son Bongbong Marcos is a tax evader. You know, I'm just gonna say to those Marcos loyalists, hirap na mo talaga maintindihan. Like I said, Teacher May had already learned about the history. Yet you do not know what they're talking about. You know, as I'm a Filipino, I read all the type of history books. Civica, history. You remember I was told by Jordan Bunagan in Colf? They have history lesson. In the school of Jared Dino, St. Joseph, they have history lesson. The Colt, the school of Louis Texon and Jordan Bunagan, they have a history lesson. Why can't all of you learn about the lesson? Always talking about Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. He's the greatest robbery of the government. Have you never heard about history? Will I explain to Matthew Timbal? Will I explain to Teacher May Tiburcio? Will I ever explain to Kiko Barsaga? Will I ever explain to Leandro Diviste? Will I ever explain to Attorney Raul Lambino, my friend? Will I ever explain everyone? Here's the one thing to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. Paula Colin Nunez, Kuya Copio, Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, and Nino Barsaga. Enough about Marcoses. They didn't know what they're still money to the Filipino people. Oh, have you never heard about stealing money? Ninakaw ang pera sa kaban ng bayan, like I said.